Sometimes you may have commented on a post on Threads, and if you want to archive that comment, you can do that. In this video, we'll be telling you about how to archive any comment on Threads. For this, open the Threads application. After opening the Threads application, if you want, you can comment on any new post. For example, I'm selecting one post that I have previously commented on. For that, I'm clicking on this profile photo, and when you click on that, here you can see the replies option. When you click on that, here you can see every post that you have commented on. For example, I'm selecting this post. When you click on this comment section, you can see every comment, and here my comment is also there. If I want to archive my comment, what I need to do is click on these three dots. When you click on that, here you can see the archive option. Click on archive. When you click on that, that comment will be archived. After that, if you want to see this archived comment, go back, and here you can see two lines. Click on these two lines and click on archive. When you click on that, you can see that comment in the archive section. Here, this is the comment. So this way you can easily archive any comment on Threads. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.